Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add tags for each product in Wix website. So in order to do this, first of all, log into wix.com using your user credentials. Then you'll be on your dashboard. On this page, you'll have to click on this catalog button just right here. Now you will see a list. Here you'll have to click on store products, then select products. Now you will see all the products that would be listed on your website. Here, in order to add tag for each of these products individually, you'll have to simply click on that product. This is going to open that product's description page. On this page, you'll have to scroll down, navigate to the marketing and SEO tab and click on edit SEO settings. Now select basics, and in the basics, you will have the option to edit the title tag just right here. So you can place your cursor in this field, enter another tag for this product. You can also add meta description here. You can put URL slug and then you can click on this save button just right here. Now, as you can see, the SEO settings have been saved and I just changed this products tag on this page. So that's how you add tag for each product in Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.